Have you ever been in the middle of browsing your favorite sites when suddenly you're stopped in your tracks by the dreaded ERR connection reset? It's not just you, and it's not the end of the internet as you know it. In this video, we're diving deep into what is this frustrating error, and more importantly, how you can fix it. Hello, I'm Jade from Rapid, your top-tier cloud hosting solution for WordPress sites. The ERR connection reset pops up when your browser can't establish a connection to the website you're trying to reach, effectively resetting the connection attempt. Whether you're doing important research or just browsing for fun, getting hit with this error can disrupt your day. But don't worry, I'll guide you through its common causes and 6 effective ways to fix it. The ERR connection reset can be caused by several issues, ranging from faulty internet connections, incorrect network settings, to outdated software. It's your browser's way of telling you that something went wrong while trying to connect to the server, but the specific cause can vary. So, how do you fix it? First, check your internet connection. It might sound simple, but sometimes the problem is just a weak or unstable connection. Try accessing other websites or use a different device to see if the problem persists. Second, take a look at your VPN. When using a VPN for professional or privacy purposes, be aware that your VPN connection may occasionally drop. This disruption can lead to difficulties in connecting to certain websites until the VPN connection is re-established. The behavior of your VPN software during these interruptions can vary. Some VPNs attempt to reestablish the connection automatically, while others might require manual intervention to reconnect. To understand if the error is being caused by your VPN connection, you should temporarily disconnect your VPN. If the problem is solved, then you know who's the culprit. Third, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser collects data that can cause issues. Clearing it out can often fix connection problems. For example, if you're using Chrome, you can go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data, and tick the cached and imaged files. Next, click on Clear Data and wait for Chrome to clear your cache. 4. Disable Firewall and Antivirus software temporarily. Antivirus software and firewalls are created to provide protection while you browse the web. But sometimes their security measures can be too strict. This increased level of security may prevent you from downloading or opening files. It could also limit your access to websites. Your firewall may disrupt your internet connection, especially when trying to visit sites, resulting in problems like the ERR connection reset. To check if your firewall is causing this issue, a helpful troubleshooting step is to turn it off. Once deactivated, see if you still encounter the error. This can help you pinpoint whether the firewall settings are causing the problem. Remember to enable them again after testing. And while we're talking about security, if you're a website owner, your computer is not the only thing you should make sure is safe. With Rapid Cloud, your site is protected from malware, firewall, and DDoS attacks for no additional cost. We offer virtual patching for extra security, and our support team is ready to help you 24/7. Click the link in the description for more information on how we keep your website safe. Next, disable proxy server access. Proxies safeguard your online privacy by concealing your real IP address, but proxies can also experience issues, including overloading and server failures. So if you're using a proxy, consider momentarily deactivating your connection to it. On Windows, go to Control Panel, then Network and Internet, and then Internet Options. Open the Connections tab. Choose the LAN Settings option. Uncheck Use a Proxy Server for your LAN, and check Automatically Detect Settings and click OK. If you're a Mac user, navigate to System Preferences, then Network. Select your active internet connection, open the Advanced Settings, and click on Proxies. Under Select a Protocol to configure, uncheck All Protocols and click OK. Finally, if none of the previous steps fixed your problem, try resetting TCP/IP settings. TCP/IP is a crucial component that enables a computer's connection to the internet. If the TCP/IP settings are improperly configured or become corrupted, the data transmitted from your computer to the network will fail to be conveyed, resulting in a connection reset error. If you're using Windows, you can reset your TCP/IP settings by pressing the Windows plus R keys, type CMD and click OK. Alternatively, you can also open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Be sure to run it as administrator. The Select Command Prompt window will appear. Go ahead and enter the following commands one by one. Each line is a different command, so type one in, hit Enter, and move on to the next one. To reset TCP/IP on macOS, navigate to System Preferences and then Network. Select your active internet connection, open Advanced, and choose TCP/IP. Click Renew DHCP lease. There you have it! 6 ways to fix the ERR connection reset. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets you back on track. Remember, troubleshooting is a process, so don't get discouraged if the first fix doesn't work. Keep trying and you'll likely find a solution that works for you. Thanks for tuning into the Rapid channel. If this video helped you or if you have any questions or comments, just use the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest guides and tech tips. Happy browsing, and I will see you in the next video.